So when I was on that journey, it allowed me to see life at a different angle. And so I wanted my time.
What's going on, YouTube? It's your man C. Scott back again. I guess we're gonna call it season 2. I mean, I might just skip to season 3 just because that's what I do. Season 2 of 3 questions, 1 tip, and I'm here, the man, the legend, the myth, Mr. Chef Derek Smalls. Chef Smalls on Instagram. What's going on, man?
Hey, what's going on, man? Glad to be here, man.
Hey,
excited, man.
I appreciate you coming out and doing this with me. You know, let's go ahead and tell the people a little bit about yourself.
Hey, I'm Chef Smalls. Been in the culinary thing now about going on 3 years. I started my business, Prestige Meal Preps, like almost 2 years ago, and I've been consistent for 2 years. I'm so excited about it. Grew up right here in the city of Jacksonville Beach, Florida, with my man, Chauncey. You know, C. Scott. That's the man. You know.
Hey, I appreciate it. The check is in the mail, my man. The check is in the mail. Oh, you know, if you take swipe debit anyway. So we're up here acting the fool a little bit, but yeah, man, I see you doing big things. I know you did some stuff with network marketing before this.
That's right.
Was a huge success in that.
That's right.
I told you before, but let me go ahead on camera right now and say I'm proud of you for all the accomplishments that you did with that. And so now you're doing your culinary arts thing.
Yes, sir.
So tell everybody, like, so you're an entrepreneur now.
That's right.
You know, been doing that for a little bit. What made you decide, what led to you, what clicked in your head that you knew that, hey, entrepreneurship is what I want to do?
Well, you know, once I, like you just told them, I was involved in network marketing. That was my first time getting into network marketing. And, you know, the one time I was in it, I won in it. You know, I helped a lot of people gain financial freedom. You know, it was really a blessing. And so when I was on that journey, it allowed me to see life at a different angle. And so I wanted my time, you know, because having time in front of you means a lot. You know what I mean? So I think, yeah, that was important to me. So yeah, definitely having that time, having that time and having that financial freedom to be able to do what you need to do and still get the job done.
Gotcha. So the time and the financial freedom, and you're like, you know, the best way to do this is going to be entrepreneurship.
That's
awesome.
Right.
So you decided, hey, I want to take that time back into my hands. You know, I want to have that financial freedom.
That's right.
So what was the first few steps that you took once you decided that this is what you wanted to do to kind of propel you into that?
Okay, I think the first step that I took when I decided I wanted to be an entrepreneur and open up Prestige Meal Preps was I wrote the vision down.
Perfect.
Okay, made it plain. I put it on paper. I saw it. I believed in it, and then I went and got educated, you know, went and got educated in the business. So I think that was the first step that I did. I wrote it down, I looked at it, I laid over it, I believed in it, you know what I mean?
All right. Hey, I couldn't have said it better myself, man. That's, you know, I mean, because so many, you know, people perish for the lack of vision, man. You know what I'm saying? You know, so you had the vision, wrote it down, then you got yourself educated in the culinary art game. I love it. So so you've already, you decided, you know, you had your vision together, you got yourself educated, and so you've been doing this for a few years. Where do you see yourself in like 5 to 10 years from now?
Well, 5 to 10 years from now, my heart and my goal is to have multiple locations of Prestige Meal Preps in about 10 different cities. You know, that's the ultimate goal. So I would say that's more so leading toward the 10-year goal, but you know, the 5-year goal is to get at least 5 locations in the next 5 years in 5 different cities and really promote a healthy lifestyle and really offer, you know, services at an affordable price so everybody can eat healthy, because we all know if you go to Whole Foods or you go to places, it's expensive to eat right.
It can be. It definitely it can be.
Know?
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
So affordable, healthy eating.
That's right.
Can I say that again? Affordable, healthy eating. I mean, healthy eating is important.
That's right.
And making it affordable is just, you know, that's icing on the cake.
That's right.
Perfect.
Yes, sir. Yes,
perfect. So man, I appreciate those 3 questions that I got for you. Y'all know it. We love it. So Chef Smalls, we're gonna link all your Instagram, a couple of different Instagram handles.
You can reach me on at Chef Smalls _ and that's on my main page for the private chef services. And you can also follow me at Prestige Meal Preps. That's on Instagram. Again, that's at Prestigious Meal Preps on Instagram and at Chef Smalls _ You can reach me.
Perfect. We're gonna have all that link down below. We're gonna have that on the screen as well, so you can see it all over the place. So that's it for the 3 questions here. Now we're gonna get into the Instagram 1 tip. So make sure that you go to the C. Scott Inc. Instagram page if you're not already on there. We're gonna have the 1 tip on that. Appreciate you coming out, man.
I appreciate everything. I appreciate you for having me, especially on this Friday Eve, right before the last episode of season 5, episode 10 of Power. You got me all excited, man. I feel like I'm shooting a movie.
There you go. Hey, that's what all life is a movie, baby. That's what we gotta do.
That's
perfect.
Right.
So check us out. We're gonna be on the 1 tip on Instagram. Check that out. And for those people that were on Instagram saw the 1 tip that came here, we appreciate y'all. And that's all I got for you today. Like I said, as always, hey, leave your comments below, share, like, subscribe. Let us know, what industries you want to see. Let me know what you want to see next. I love you. Namaste, baby. Namaste.